are pleased to show you the 2016 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, HD radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, power steering, rear head airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.